Hello, welcome to my channel, Come with Debbie. If you're new here, my name is Debbie, and if you're a regular viewer, welcome back my lovelies. Now, the World Cup has just started. Do you like my England top? It's not the real one. And today I'm going to make you a chicken makhani. Oh, I bet you like a curry whilst watching the World Cup, don't you? Now first, I have marinated some chicken in oil, smoked paprika, ginger and garlic and cumin. Now you have to marinate this for at least 20 minutes or overnight. And now I'm going to shove this in the air fryer until it's cooked, or you can put it in the oven if you haven't got an air fryer. And I've got my trusty Star Wars wooden spoon to help me. And you heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil so it's hot. And then you add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Right, now I'm going to go in with my onions, at least 80 grams, if not more. The more onions you have, the better. Take that off the heat a minute, just in case. There we go. Smell that sizzling onions. So you cook the onions until they're lovely and caramelised, which normally take about 5 to 10 minutes. Oh, smells delicious. I love the smell of cooked onions. Do you? Oh, I do love a curry, particularly on makhani. Delicious. So, starting to get nicely caramelised now, the onions. So I would take it off the heat for a minute. We've got some ginger and garlic paste. Ginger and garlic paste goes in. Now you stir in the ginger and garlic paste for 30 seconds. You can actually use fresh ginger and fresh garlic if you wish. I'm just cheating a bit. And so be careful because the ginger and garlic does spit a bit. So that's it. Right. Now we're going to get spicy. So we're going to add some turmeric, a teaspoon, and some, what one's this? Is that garam masala? Oh, I love a bit of garam masala. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and a teaspoon of coriander, and also some red chilli. Now you can have it as hot as you like or as mild as you like. How much do I go with? Shall I go half a teaspoon? Yes. I don't like it too hot. Burns my mouth. Oh, so much. Now you stir all the spices on the heat with the onion in for 30 seconds or so. Get all the onions covered in all the spices. Oh gosh, it smells divine. Oh, I wish we had smelly vision. Oh yes. Now we put in a tin of tomatoes. You can use passata if you want. It's like 400 grams of tomatoes. There. So there goes in the tin of chopped tomatoes. Oh, look at that. Smells lovely. You get that simmering. It's all stirred in. Look at that. And now we add some butter. 45 grams of butter. More if you want, it's up to you. you go. Melt that in. Stir it in. Now getting melted in. Oh, lashings of butter. Yes. So we melt the butter in and we leave it to simmer. So now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And stir that in. There. Now I'm going to leave this now to simmer until, for about probably 10 minutes, until all the butter seeps out to the sides. You'll see a film of butter around the edges of the sauce. So we'll leave that to simmer for 10 minutes. And of course, you've got to have a beer while you're cooking a curry and watching football. Right, now that's been cooking for 10 minutes. We'll just give it a little stir in. That's it. Right, now I'm going to add the cream, double cream. Roughly about 250 mils to 300 mils of double cream. If you're in America, heavy cream. I like to add all 300 mils. Make it luxurious, smooth and creamy. Oh yes, look how gorgeously creamy that is. So delicious and creamy. Oh. Now that sauce looks ready to put the chicken we cooked earlier into it. There it is. There's the chicken I cooked earlier. Some nice charring on it. There we go. Let's put that in. Doesn't matter if you get juices in as well. It just adds to the flavour. It's all absolutely lovely and delicious. There, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. So we stir this chicken in for a few minutes or so until it's lovely and hot. All the chicken's heated up. There. You can make this in advance and then just reheat it. That's it. And I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of crushed fenugreek leaves. Right, your hands will smell currified. Get them from the supermarket. Fenugreek. And stir that in. Now, once you've stirred in your fenugreek, you're ready to go. See, all lovely and bubbly. Now, earlier I cooked some rice to serve with. You can get some naan and have some lovely naan. And there's your makhani, chicken makhani. And you can also serve it with some, I like to serve it with mini poppadoms. Oh, mini poppadoms are just the best thing ever. So that's it. Here's my chicken makhani curry, especially for the World Cup. Cheers, guys, and I hope your team wins. Now, I hope you enjoyed watching my little video of cooking a makhani, chicken makhani curry. Na na na, na na na. The recipe and ingredients will be up for you to see. Don't forget now to give me a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that notifications button if you don't want to miss more of my videos. And please subscribe to my channel. I will be absolutely grateful if you did, and it's totally free. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them in the comments box below. Thank you for watching. and I hope you enjoy the World Cup and whatever you choose to eat while watching it. Take care now, my lovelies. Bye.